Water therapy. A fish can't live without water. In the same way, water has the energy to listen what you speak. So whenever you drink water, at least twice or thrice in a day, drink in a glass transparent water and speak positive. God, I am rich, I am multimillionaire, I am healthy, I am wealthy. And drink this water nicely. Again, then say thank you, God, for all happiness, health, wealth, and be positive whole day. Negative will come, but try to avoid negative as soon as possible. Dr. Veena Jain, try this miracle water therapy and please don't share with anyone until you get success. Try it for 14 days and 15th day you can share with others. Dr. Veena Jain, Healing Center, Water Therapy.